Hello friends, welcome to my channel Grammarian Bhai, and today we are going to learn how to change imperative sentence into indirect speech. So, before we change imperative sentences into indirect speech, you need to follow certain steps. So, first one, changes in reported verbs. So, if reported verb said or told is there, then it will change into asked, commanded, requested, suggested, demanded, and so on. Next, statement giving advice or suggestion, then it will change into advised, suggested. Then next, remove words like please and kindly. That means in a sentence, if within the inverted commas please or kindly words are mentioned, then those words have to be removed. It should not be written. The next, conjunction that. That is not needed when you change into indirect speech, especially to imperative sentences. The next, the verb of the reporting speech will change into infinitive. That is 2 plus V1 means 2 plus V1. V1 here means the base form of the verb or the first form of the verb. Infinitive means 2 plus V1. That means 2 plus first form of the verb or the base form of the verb. For example, let us say to sleep, to eat, to play, to dance. So these verbs are known as 2 plus V1. 2 plus V1. V1 here is the base form of the verb or the first form of the verb. To eat, to play, to dance, and so on. So when we change reporting speech, that will be written within the inverted commas. So that we have to change into infinitive 2 plus V1. So now let's see one example, then you will be able to understand better. Example is here. He said, open the door. So here, open the door is the imperative sentence. When you apply to the rule, then it will be here said will change into either command or request or advise or suggest. So now when you see this sentence, open the door, then somebody is commanding or ordering to open the door. So now said will change into ordered. So he ordered. Then to remove inverted commas, conjunction that is not needed according to the rule. When you change imperative sentence into indirect speech, we do not write conjunction that. So now he ordered. Now this is main verb, open. So now we have to use infinitive, that is 2 plus V1. So now he ordered, then to open the door. So now here this is infinitive 2 plus B1. So as a rule we have said that this reporting verb will change into ordered or commanded. Here open the door is imperative sentence. To change imperative sentence you have to use infinitive 2 plus B1. That's why we added here 2 and main verb B1 is already here. So we wrote same verb B1 here and we wrote the same thing. And at the end we provided the full stop. Next example. Here the old man said to the driver, comma, please give me a lift. So here when you see this particular sentence, please give me a lift. So here the old man is requesting to the driver, please. And you have seen whenever or wherever the word please or kindly are there, then we do not write those words. We do not write please or kindly words. So now let's change it. So now said will change into requested. And how do you know that this requested word should come here? Because the word please is there. So please. So that is the indication that somebody is requesting. So now let's change into indirect speech. Then when we change into indirect speech, it will be the old man requested the driver. Then we have to use infinitive 2 plus B1. So here give is the main verb, base form of the verb. So before that you have to add 2. So the driver to give him a lift. So the old man requested. So say it, change into requested the driver to give him a lift. So here 2 plus V1, that is infinitive is used. Next example we will see, my father said, brush your teeth daily. Brush your teeth daily is imperative sentence. So now we will change applying all the rules. So first of all you have to see said reporting verb will change into either suggested or advised. So when you see this sentence, brush your teeth, that means somebody is suggesting you or somebody is advising you to do something. So here now said will change into advised or suggested. So let's change it. When we change this imperative sentence into indirect speech, then it will be my father advised. So said will change into advised. Advised me to brush my teeth daily. So here again 2 plus B1. So 2 plus B1 we are using. That is we use infinitive. And brush already here it is there B1. So we are writing only 2 and we are writing the same thing. And who is your teeth? So here my teeth daily. And next example we have, teacher told the students, comma, within inverted commas, kindly close the books. So kindly close the books is imperative sentence. And according to rule we have learnt that wherever words like kindly, please are there, then we do not write such words. So now let's change it. So you know that told will change into requested because teacher is requesting to the students kindly. So this is the indication that teacher is requesting. So let's change it. So when we change into indirect speech, then it will be teacher requested the students to close the books. So here told changed into requested, and here to close B1 and this 2 plus B1. Already the base form of the verb is there. Before that you have to add only 2 and write the same thing as it is. Next, when the name of a person is addressed, then it is used as the object of the verb. So let's see one example. So here he said, comma, within inverted comma, bring your book, Ramesh. So here name is addressed. Ramesh is the name of a person. So in that case, how you can change imperative sentence into indirect speech? So let's change it. So here he asked. So this is the sentence here. He said, comma, within inverted commas, bring your book, Ramesh. So Ramesh is a name of a person. Ramesh is a boy here and his name is written at the end. But then when we change into indirect speech, then the name of a person Ramesh will come here in the object. So it will be, he asked Ramesh to bring his book. So we cannot write name of a person at the end in indirect speech. We do not write at the end, but then we write the name soon after the verb in the place of object. In the place of object we write the name of a person. So when you divide, let us say this is subject, this is verb and this is object. That means any name of a person that comes, that one has to be written in the place of object. We do not write at the end. So it will be, he asked Ramesh to bring his book. So when you change imperative sentence into indirect speech, remember some of the rules, especially we do not add conjunction that, then we use infinitive 2 plus B1. And hope changing imperative sentences into indirect speech is clear. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel Grammarian Bhai and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a great day. Jai Hind.